I want to show you how to make a custom observing list. Let's go to the little down arrow and say New Observing List. And I'm going to assign it to the default group. And the title is going to be Bright Bright Edge-on and Barred Spiral Galaxies. Okay, so I've created that list. So the next thing to do is to click on this Database Power Search button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Extragalactic, Galaxies. I want magnitude, say, greater than 13. Enter. And I want size, enter value greater than, say, 8 arc minutes. Enter. And then as far as class, I want Bard. Let's do a search. And it found 15 objects. Now I want to add it to the default group and the Bright Edge-on and Barred Spiral group. Select all, add to list. So let's go back and do another search. Galaxies, extragalactic, magnitude 13, size 8, and let's do any and do a search. Now it found 81. So let's select all, add to the list. And let's close the database power search. Now let's go to defaults, group, and Bright Edge-on and Barred Spiral Galaxies. There's a list of 81 objects.